anong pinaka-memorable na experience na ginawa niyo together?
Yung naliligo kami sa CR.
Hala. Pinaka-naughtiest siguro na ginawa ko is natutulog siya.
I can't see.
I am IR John Delos Ranes.
And I am Mikay Bautista.
And we're here at the Queen City of the South, Cebu City.
Kung saan hindi lamang lechon ang master na pagkain, pati na rin ang kanilang barbecue at seafood. Kaya naman magbumukbang kami with spicy Q&A session. Let's go! Nandito ang binabalik-balikhan dito sa Larshan, ang chorizo. At titikman na po namin siya. Besh, try it.
Of course, Besh.
And while eating, may mga spicy question ako sa'yo. Siyempre, ikaw din dapat meron. My first question is, what is the sexiest part of your body and why?
Everything is sexy about me. Charet. I think yung waistline ko, because I have 23 waistline. And I really take care of my figure.
Hindi ko iisipin ang waistline ko. Kain ako.
True, kain ka. Go. May question din ako sa'yo.
Go ahead, sis.
How do you initiate making love with your partner if you have?
Hindi ako nag-i-initiate. Pero kapag minsan, pag piling ko maganda ako, kailangan maliligo muna ako at magpapakita ko sa boyfriend ko, Day, para diba?
True.
Pagtapos nun, Day, walang initiate, dire-diretso na yon kapag bet ka. Where is the perfect place to do it?
Well, the perfect place to do it is in our safe place, kung saan we are free to do whatever we want and we can perform. How about you naman? My question din ako sa'yo again. What is the naughtiest thing you've did to your partner? Or together? What is the naughtiest thing?
Siguro, yung naliligo kami sa CR.
Hala.
Siyempre, basa kami, Day, nalaglag ako, nabitawan niya ako. Nalaglag ako sa may, sa tiles, then di ko na tinuloy. Siyempre, masakit na yung katawan ko. Siguro, ayun na yung pinaka naughtiest na nagawa namin dalawa. Sa CR talaga, Day. Ikaw naman, sis.
Way back before, yung pinaka-naughtiest siguro na ginawa ko is natutulog siya.
I can't see.
Na inaano ko siya. Naughtiest, di ba?
Grabe naman yun, sis. I never do that.
Pero, bet niya.
Bet naman pala niya. Pero sis, na-notice ko, parang kakaiba yung lasa ng kanin nila.
Actually, masarap din yung pork nila. I love it.
Let me taste
Kasi,
it.
hindi siya, parang yung iba, kasi naka-experience ako kumain ng pork somewhere here din sa Cebu. Parang hindi siya naluto ng maayos. Ito, I love it kasi lutong-luto.
Pati yung loob niya luto, masarap siya talaga yung
Actually, I love it.
Pero favorite ko talaga yung chorizo. Okay sis, hindi pa tapos yung tanong.
Ay, hindi pa ba?
Hindi pa dahil
Meron
marami
pa.
pa akong
Okay, go.
handa. So, do you have any sexual insecurities?
With my ex-boyfriend, wala naman because he really loved me as I am and he really considered me as a woman. So when we are making love together, like we're doing like a normal relationship with straight couples. So I never get the chance to have or to feel sexual insecurities. So I'm free to be myself. I can be who I am when I'm with him. And hopefully, sa next person na makikilala ko. So sa'yo naman, Mikay, may sexual insecurities ka ba?
Siyempre, di ba, hindi pa naman ako post off. Siyempre, nahiga ako baka ma-off yung boyfriend ko. Pero, one time, na-notice ng boyfriend ko na parang hindi ako comfortable. Then, sabi niya, okay lang daw. Kasi nga, bago niya ako jowain, tinanggap niya na daw kung ano yung makikita niya.
Since we are talking about relationship and making love to the people that we love, or sometimes when we are doing one-time love, charot. So, how do you maintain healthy sexual relationship?
para safe, sinisigurado ko na may condom and meron kaming paglilinis na ginagawa. Then after that, like after 1 week, nagpapatest ako kasi kailangan malaman natin yung status.
Grabe naman yung 1 week, dahil once you're tested with HIV, you will find out that 3 to 6 months after. Pero in fairness ha, grabe yung
kasi
security na gusto mo.
Meron kaming tawag dito, organization which is Love Yourself. So free ako magpa-test ng magpa-test. How about you, sis?
You must be mindful on the increasing number of HIV and AIDS victims or positive individuals, especially in our country. We are one of the escalating number of HIV positive. So with that ideas that I have, I was able to educate myself and my partner. Life is so precious. Don't waste your life at one happy moment.
Eto sis, para naman sa mga transisi natin, ano yung mga advice na mabibigay mo sa kanila, especially yung mga transisi natin na active sa mga gantong eksena?
It is really important, as I said, to know your status, to get tested, and of course, use condom and be faithful to your partner.
Para sa mga kapwa ko LGBT, isa lang ang masasabi ko, as of my experience, maging loyal na lang kayo sa boyfriend nyo. Kasi bihira sa atin ang may tatanggap. So kung active ka, doon na lang sa jowa mo.
True.
Pero kung active ka sa lahat, kailangan mo talaga magkaroon ng proper way like condoms and
At
check
saka,
your status.
kung active ka sa lahat, dapat, from now pa lang, mag-plan ka na sa St. Peter para any time of the day, you are prepared. Nabusog ka ba, Mikay?
Ay, dahil sobra. Hindi ko alam kung 22 pa rin yung bewang ko after net.
Nilamangan mo naman akin.
Ilan ba sa'yo, Day?
23 lang.
Busog ako, pero parang after neto, iba na yung cravings ko lang dahil sa mga tanong.
Hala, baka uwi ka ng Manila, ha?
Ay, ikaw kung boyfriend ko, Day.
Alo, anong gagawin nyo?
Ay, Day.
Thank you so much, trans fans, sa pagsama sa amin today. We had so much fun and we are so full.
Till our next adventure, daghapong salamat!
Daghan kaayong salamat!